Good Tuesday morning. I'm Annika Abbott in the First Alert Weather Center with a look at your forecast today. We are quite different from yesterday. That trough we saw that brought us all of that rain that has moved to the southeast and it is now in Arizona. Now we are looking at this ridge that is popping up here along that west coast that's helping to warm us up by a couple of degrees along with that nice offshore flow. Still looking at below average temperatures today. Now because of those wet conditions yesterday and calm conditions today, we are seeing a bit of dense fog across the region. That should lift out though with that offshore flow to mostly sunny skies. Now going into tomorrow, we are looking at somewhat breezy conditions overall, and we've got this ridge which has now moved over the state, so we are looking at some additional warming as that offshore flow does increase. But in the evening hours, there is an inside slider or a trough there on that borderline of California and Nevada. That typically moves northward, so we'll see that move northward into Thursday, but it is going to leave us with that northerly flow, some cool air advection, and that's going to spur on some pretty windy conditions, particularly on that south coast, possibly looking at some advisories there. We'll also see a little bit of increased cloud cover because of now, taking a closer look at those winds, you can see lots of blue on the screen for the next couple of days, indicating those breezy conditions. But by the time we hit Thursday, you see a lot of green pop up on that south coast here, even extending up into the central coast and into the San Ynez Valley, as well as those Santa Barbara County mountains. Like I said, we could see an advisory from that event. But there is an advisory out now on a high surf advisory on the central coast and Ventura County coastline, as well as a beach hazard statement there on the south coast. This does expire by 3 p.m. today, so we'll be seeing that surf start to pull back and recede as we go throughout the day today. Our temperatures in Santa Barbara still about mild, 65 degrees or so, and you're on the warmer end compared to everyone else. Over Point Conception, you're looking at temperatures mainly in those lower 60s. San Luis Obispo County, a little lower than that in the upper 50s to the low 60s. And then Ventura, you are going to be 61 degrees today, a little bit warmer if you are inland. Hope you all have a fantastic Tuesday.